Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a fall autumn look using the ColourPop X Kathleen Lights So Jaded palette. I made it a point to go ahead and go into this palette and do a lot of looks with it. Today we're sticking with the warmer tones to do a nice fall. That's why I have this shirt on so it'll match. I placed some powder under the eyes and let's just go ahead and get started. If you're new here, my name is Ashley. I would love for you to subscribe and stick around, become part of the family. And with that, let's just go ahead and get started. I'm going to take Geodude here, and I'm placing that into the crease. If you're wondering why it already looks like I have it in the crease, I did. I did one layer in the crease, and then the camera got messed up and I lost the footage, so I had to start over again. But I'm just placing this and building this up. It's the perfect transition shade. It's so stunning. This palette, she really nailed it. And yes, it is 30 pan, not 40. I messed up in my other video and I definitely saw the comments about that. So I fixed the thumbnail and all is well. With that, the next shade I want to dive into is Carnelian right here. And this looks really pigmented. And I'm going to focus that directly in the crease and almost on the mobile lid as well. This is really nice red tone. It's like a terracotta shade. So beautiful. Just going back and forth. So how is everyone? Is anyone else going to be picking up this palette? I saw a few of my subscribers that said that they were waiting on theirs, that they got theirs. Will you be following along to these tutorials? I'm just going to wing it out a little bit. I want it to be elongating my eye. And I'm just going back with that first brush we used and diffusing this shade. So far, I love this palette. I think it's totally worth it. How gorgeous. I'm then going to take a smaller brush and go into Garnet. It's red shade. I'm going to focus that on the outer corner only to about halfway. So I'm just placing the color and then I'm going to feather it in to about here. How gorgeous. This palette, you can go from an everyday look to a super bold look. The look I did, the first look in the first video I did with this palette, that was a very dramatic look, but this look is so fall appropriate. It's stunning. I've just been blending this into my crease forever, really. But that's the key to a really, really nice eyeshadow look, is a lot of blending and a lot of transition shades. That's what's really going to make a look, and actually blending them very, very well. Then I'm going to take that same first brush we used and I'm going to go into Citrine and go above these transition shades. The pigment and quality in this palette is unbelievable. And also, ColourPop offers Afterpay if you can't afford it all at once. Anything over $35, you can choose Afterpay, which just means that you say your order is like $42, you would pay like $11 that day, and every week they take it the same amount until it's paid off out of your account. I like doing it that way. It's easier, it's very convenient, and I don't know, I think it builds your credit. I'm not sure, but I hope so. Then I think I'm going to take Topaz right here. Everyone's so questionable about these shades. I'm going to use it on my eye. Okay, so there's a lot of fallout. I'm going to take this on my finger instead and just place that on the lid. That is a gorgeous color. Absolutely stunning. Wow. This is such a good fall look. Now you can see I have some of the crystal pieces, the chunks of diamond in there, not diamond, eyeshadow. I'm just going to take that brush with the red on it and feather it through that crease, just taking away the crystals in the crease. I love that. I'm going to take my favorite pencil brush from Shop Miss A. I have a link down below if you'd like to use it. It's AOA Studio E142, and for the highlighting brush, it's F19. That's a dupe for the Anastasia one. It's actually better. I'm going to take Diamond right here, and it's so soft, like a Super Shock shadow, so I'm going to spritz it. Place that on the inner corner. Oh my gosh. That is stunning. And a little bit on the brow bone. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take this Sigma E30 pencil brush, and I'm going to take Carnelian and place that on my lower lash line. I saw some fallout there, but I'm just going to take this one shade under here. You guys can totally tweak this to your liking. You don't have to follow this exact tutorial. You know, sometimes I follow a tutorial and then I'll change a color or two and just make it more my style, which is something you guys can totally do. But so far, I love this look a lot. I will be taking the Maybelline Tattoo Studio eyeliner. I'm looking for a mirror. I'm just going to place a simple line. I'm not going to wing it out or anything. Just do a simple line here. That topaz color is stunning. Oh my goodness. So just doing a little tiny line. You don't even have to use eyeliner if you don't want to. And I'm going to be putting on false lashes today because this is a dramatic look. Putting on eyeliner takes a long time. But I don't want this video to be so short, you know. This is a really good liquid liner. It's going over that glitter so easily. I'm just trying to perfect it. And then I'm going to take the Better Than Damn Girl mascara by Too Faced, and I'm going to put on a coat of it, just so that the false lashes will adhere to it a lot better. I'm going to be placing a brown liner in my waterline on the bottom and going in with the L'Oreal Telescopic. I'll go get my false lashes and then the look will be complete. And just like that, you guys, the look is complete. I put on my lipstick, which was just the Almay Lip Vibes in Go Wild, and I topped that with the Ofra Gloss Rodeo Drive. Also, for the lashes, I got these at Dollar Lash Club, style Kylie. So this is the final fall look. I love it. It goes well with my shirt. It would be perfect. It's like the orange and mixed with the red tones. I just love it. It's sultry, it's sexy. You can wear it day, you can wear it at night, you can wear it natural lashes. You can dress it up however you want, but this is just my spin on it. I hope you guys love this video. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.